Hello everyone. So today I am making an anemometer. An anemometer is used to measure the speed of the wind. Material required for an anemometer is 4 cups, a bottle, a scissor, a sellotape, 2 strips of cardboard and a push pin. First I will take the bottle and take the cardboard strips. I have pasted 1 cup on it to show you how it will paste. Like this. You have to paste it with sellotape. First make a plus with cardboard. Then take push pin and pull it into the bottle cap. Like this. And then take another cup. You have to paste the cup downwards, not upwards. Like this. It is settled. Then I will take second cup and paste it. Paste it tightly. And now last cup. Now it is done. If you like this, so please subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you.